in the door. Well, that was nothing to do with the other car.
Decimo giro poco prima dei cambi pilota, ma si insabbiava, concludendo anzitempo la gara.
Very best drivers to contend here. Whoa! And that was a big moment, and it's got even worse as round goes the Bentley. Jeffrey.
Чемпионат сейчас Андрес Пфистер на второй позиции. Мне кажется, Дэвид Каджая едва не теряет свой автомобиль, переворачивает, разворачивает, простите, пилота, выступающего на BMW, но это нет, это все-таки не Каджая, это был Франц.
Here he comes. Oh, looks to the inside. Oh, evasive action, I think. Oh, that's a big one.
Big one. See the Armco and the tyre wall doing Aston. Turns out it was the Camaro.
On board here with Scott Maxwell. Look up ahead there, you can see a little bit of argy-bargy, as we call it, as they come through the right-hander, and Anthony Mantella just gets into the side of Ashley there. And I think what happened, Justin, is I think he
happened. He's going to come into shot in a moment. Oh, straight on.
Didn't even turn.
Oh, that's unusual.
The way he slammed the door as
Then up ahead of Shedden and off the road goes Dave Newsham through the gravel into the tyres. Oh, and Alex Martin going off. Oh, and that's a hard hit.
running in too wide. They didn't get the car slowed down enough for the corner, really. Just ran on wide, just couldn't make the corner.
To get through as well, and Matt Neal has made a mistake, and Jason Plato takes over the race lead, and there's contact. Tom Ingram gets fired around and into the gravel.
Oh, and another car sliding out, looks like it's going to contact.
Now's a bit of a problem. Block. Oh, two wheels for Ken Block. And Ken Block has rolled it. Ken Block has rolled it. The championship leader here in Global Atlas. He's on his roof for the second year.
Ah ouais, d'accord, il a tapé le coin du mur à Tem Markelov, on l'a vu.
Non, le pneu visiblement qui ne touche personne. Tockinger, donc le pilote philippin.
Et alors Jordan King,
il a fait un tout droit.
Jordan King, énorme impact de Jordan King.
De face.
Also for the team it's even worse, so I feel a bit ashamed, but there was no way to avoid it.
It's okay. And here is the 76 Honda Civic and the 173 BMW of Rule Centre Racing getting together. Race control.
Trucks haul the male off into the corner. Got trouble up in turn 4.
Oh, and there goes Thierio hard into the wall. And that's Reddick in the 19 that had the problem.
In the lap, this happened. PG Anderson, Val, Balmanis all together. Balmanis.
Mayor Melnoff and Rakelmi on row 2. Walkinshaw and Simkoviak on row 3. There is the start, and the race begins. Down towards turn 1. A lot of movement in the middle of the pack. Oh, and into the wall. That's the Brazilian BMW, and spinning in front of the pack. Christopher Mees slams on the brakes. Both the BMWs are spinning, and both Attila Abreu and Caca Bueno are going to be.
You can see the lights. I think that's the 11 car, and the Viper goes round. Don't hit the wall. Oh,
there goes the rear wing.
And don't visit Florida if you know.
So easier here.
Dafür jetzt ganz normal Motivablauf. Aber die wichtigste Meldung, und hier haben wir das nochmal. Lando Norris, der sich tatsächlich dann eben halt an David Beckmann aufgestoßen hat, sozusagen. Am hinteren Rad.
And it goes over a second time, and then of course
Aber
he
wie
ends
gesagt,
up
wir können von
upside
dieser
down,
Seite aus Entwarnung geben. Alles im grünen Bereich, und der Routinecheck, der erfolgt jetzt eben halt bei Lando Norris.
Two into one, but which went into which? Oh, Attard was on the inside, and I don't think Jamie Chadwick expected him there. Disaster for both of them.
What happened? I mean, this must be devastating for
Cops on lap 1. The resulting contact brought out the safety car, which settled things down.
Das hätte auch ganz, ganz übel ausgehen können. Ist also wirklich kreiselnd und ohne irgendwelche Möglichkeit überhaupt dagegen zu steuern. Quer in das Fahrzeug rein.
Und Dienst hat's kommen sehen. Ja, einzige richtige Möglichkeit. Haben Sie gesehen?
The first time behind it all got very, very congested. Lucille Cipriano and Paul Rosell both fortunate to get away with it. Shane Williams was slightly less lucky. He was involved in contact. And Gina Guga, another driver who was contact secondarily and damage, in fact, to Clement.
Coming down the hill has exactly the same accident, drops the left rear onto the curbing.
So let's see how this unfolds. Van Dorn was locking up going into turn 2. We've got Matthew Sheeter in our picture there, Nato, Chicotto. Where does the round goes Stoneman?
I think he got a bit of help. Stoneman got tagged by somebody there, and then Binder slowed down to try and cut to the inside. Obviously, Stockinger didn't.
Out of energy going through a car, even in the wet conditions, increasing the speed all the time, off the racing line, into the wall.